guys, it's YT. Welcome back to another video. So for today, we will make a neon lovebird. So let's go to the neon cave. I haven't done a mega and a neon yet for the last few months, and I didn't play Adopt Me because I was out of my pace. Yeah, I'm back. And the next neon that I'm gonna make is the neon pop tune. So this is gonna be the last, and it's my favorite color though. Let's put it. Yay! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Whoa, it's color green. Oh my, oh, the color's just brightened. Oh not. Or maybe yeah. The color of this pet just brightened up. But there's nothing like others neons do, that only one part of the pet is only neon and like only glowing, but this is but her colors are kind of glowing though. Look at that, look at those, look at that. Okay, so I got my first baked of the month. Okay, so I mean, like, we're moving to May. Yeah. So yeah, that's all guys. Please like and subscribe. Bye.